Hello and welcome to tutorials on Blender. The first thing we're going to do is pan around. So you can do this using the middle mouse button to look around an object here. So just press in the middle mouse button and look around. So this will be your object, this is your work face, this is like hierarchy, this is what it has. These are like the settings for the cube or whatever object it is. These are move, rotate, scale, and transform. And that's, I think, what we're going to need today. You can zoom in using the scroll wheel. And if you just click on the cube right here, click on move, and press Y, not Y, G, sorry. You can move it around the screen. If you press GZ, as you can see, it moves it in the Z axis, Control Z to undo, which you can see up here. If you do GY, it will move it in the Y axis, which you can see up here, and GX, it will move it in the X axis. That's all we're going to need today. We're going to need to know how to pan the camera, how to zoom in, and how to move using these. There you go. So that's all you're going to need to learn. Control Z to undo, I think Control Y to redo. Okay, maybe not on Blender, but yeah, that's all you need to know. Okay, so we're going to get into the video. Today you'll be learning about scaling an object and rotating it. So to scale it, either use this, so you click on here and drag these out. You can do whatever you want. That's how you scale it. To do it quicker, the keybind is S. So click on your object, S, and it'll just do a general scale. Now from the movement, you can do GY and it'll move along the Y-axis. If you do SY, it'll scale it along the Y-axis, and so on and so forth. You can do GZ, and that'll go, not GZ, SZ, and that'll go along the S-axis. And you can do SX, and that will go along the X-axis. So currently, you can do this. This is pretty easy. Next up, we're going to want to rotate it. So you can either click on this here, or you can press R, which will do a general one. And you probably get it by now. RY will rotate it along the green line, because Y is green. RZ, and RX. And there you go. You can move, pan around in Blender. So you can do whatever you want now. You can test it, but this is how to do everything in Blender. I'm just going to create something, and once I've created it, I'll show you what you can make with it. Here it is. This is what you can make with only using the tools we have. Although I did light up the area a bit just to make it look a bit better. But if you get rid of the lights, you still get nothing. Oh, yeah. Well, you get this, although there are no lights, so you can't really see what's on. But here you go. This is what you get when you use the scale, the move, the pan camera, the zoom,